Excuse me. Hi. I just like the title. I was actually waiting for my friend.
Oh.
I thought I should say hi to you. Are you from somewhere down south?
Yeah.
Which is quite surprising
What?
because you almost look like you're from Struggle.
Oh no, I'm some.
Yeah. That's really nice. You are studying fashion.
No.
Yeah. I mean, it does not work all the time. What's your name?
I'll be waiting for a friend.
I mean, ठीक है यार, if that's a hint, okay, ठीक है, you can go. So I understand
No,
that.
he has not come yet.
He has not come yet. So how much time do we have?
I don't maybe 2 stations.
Maybe.
2 stations more.
That's approximately 5 minutes. See, I like the fact that the girls from down south they are a little too courteous.
Oh,
Yeah, Delhi people are like very forward.
I don't know. I
You
don't know the difference.
How long have you been in Delhi?
I've been here for quite a while.
Kitna?
3 months.
3 साल में you didn't understand Delhi people.
No, not really. Because
Why?
I did my college here. I mean, I do understand, but I don't really like.
Are you an engineer? Hang on. One more life saved.
Yeah, actually, I mean, that was never my interest.
I mean, that's again a thank God.
Yeah. You're from Delhi?
I'm from
Oh,
Uttarakhand. People are generally more trustworthy.
is that so? I think there are trustworthy people everywhere and people you cannot trust everywhere.
Aren't you an intellectual being?
I mean, I don't know. It's
How tall are you?
common. I'm around 5'7", approximately.
But like,
Right?
I mean, South में they are like very very tall girls.
That's so. Yeah.
I mean, that is why you so serious right now? Is it like you have had a very actually you're going for work?
No, I'm waiting for a friend,
Achha.
and I have to go to get my degree.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What did you study?
I studied social.
What is socio?
It's like a humanities subject.
I mean, वो तो ठीक है, but like socio के full form क्या? Sociology.
Yeah, sociology.
Okay. So what do you learn in that?
Basic society.
How is that different from psychology? I've
Psychology is
not
very-
really studied psychology. I have an interest in psychology.
Psychology is very individual oriented.
Okay.
So psychologists will only study, but sociologists will study your
We study
parents,
all the possible people.
all links to you. We'll study your family, we'll study your schooling because that really shapes how.
Why interesting?
It's a good.
You didn't take it out of interest.
I took it out of interest, but I'm planning to do UPSC, so I took it because I'm not.
Yeah. The stereotype is quite falling यहाँ पे.
Sorry.
Stereotype is falling into place to an extent.
Yeah. I mean, it is what I wanted to do for a while, but now everybody is doing it, so it's a little sad.
I mean, you seem like someone who studies a lot.
Oh.
At
I
least
mean,
the
I
glasses
don't-
were a giveaway.
Well, the glasses don't really mean I'm intelligent. Although
They don't mean.
I don't want to wear glasses, I am required to wear glasses.
I think you look much better with that.
I think that some people have told me that, but I think people who have seen me without glasses usually say
That's some extra piece of information that might be useful to the
very much so.
I don't
If you
know.
write a thesis on me, maybe.
I won't write a thesis. Don't worry about that.
No.
I mean, there are
I mean,
other
I'll be
aspects.
flattered if you do. Because
Oh, unfortunately, I won't. Fortunately, I would have so many things to take care of.
yeah, that's.
I mean, maybe if you end up being some interesting individual, maybe I'll write it. I don't know. But
Sometimes I feel like I'm not very interesting, so.
I mean, that's 90% of girls, so it's fine.
No,
Not saying girls are not interesting,
No,
but
I think
90%
girls
say
are
that.
interesting. I personally
on.
don't think I'm not interesting.
I think everyone is interesting. It's just that girls say that they are not interested.
Yeah, I mean, I think in a social context, I'm not.
My God, all your sociology knowledge coming into play.
Yeah, I mean, if interesting means drinking and smoking and
How? I don't know what type of people you have been hanging out
most
with.
of my friends drink and smoke.
That does not mean interesting. Interesting is more about the personality. If people have that.
Yeah, some people don't, unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
So you're waiting for your friends?
No, actually, I met my friend. I am actually returning.
Oh,
We had a night out, so me left out.
it is on Tuesday, right?
Um,
Night out.
we do night out whenever we want. Yeah.
Nice.
You don't?
No.
Interesting.
Quite boring. I mean, I don't feel comfortable staying at somebody else's place. I don't know why. And I'm very comfortable in my own.
That's a very, very smart perspective as a girl.
I mean, yeah, because you have to fetch for yourself sometimes.
My God, why you so this is the vibe that I'm getting. That you're very, very, task-oriented, very serious whole time. Is that you?
No, I mean, I'm fun when I have to be fun.
Okay.
With friends.
What do you do for fun?
I paint. I mean, that is
You
my,
paint?
yeah.
Good. I used to paint as well. I mean, not paint, I used to sketch.
Oh, that
I was very bad with colors.
I think, yeah, and I'm very bad with pencil, so I don't sketch.
Perfect compliment.
Yeah, I don't.
Perfect compliment if we leave the differences behind,
Yeah,
which might take some effort.
yeah.
So what did you used to paint?
I paint Indian folk art most.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's Madhubani or usually it's
Folk art.
yeah.
But
Indian, yeah. I'm more inclined towards that, not modern because that's not
have you seen Game of Thrones?
no.
Have you seen House
In
of the
fact,
Dragon?
the friend that I'm meeting, he's a big fan of Game of Thrones. Yeah.
And most of the people ask that it won't be a surprise that they are.
I mean, yeah.
Why I asked all of a sudden is because when you said folk art, I was directly, अब आजकल मेरे दिमाग में ही चलता है. I'm always thinking कि what is the application of that thing in the world. So when I talk about folk art, mostly I used to think कि folk art is so boring and everything. But when you see, like, that's what I'm saying. ठीक है, मेरा perspective change हुआ. That's the journey. So then I realized कि like you see like a TV series or something like Game of Thrones and something. उसमें everything is medieval.
Yeah.
And then you see folk art उसमें which is like of some cool event that happened.
Where is it placed? Like which age? What? Where is the story based on?
Game of Thrones.
Which medieval?
अरे
place?
आजकल की नहीं है वो पुरानी.
नहीं medieval तो मुझे पता है पुराना होता
अरे यार medieval was just a term. You have to understand the emotion.
है. No. medieval times पे set है ना.
अरे medieval मतलब पुराना जहाँ पे तुम्हारे भाले वाले यूज होते हैं.
वो तो ancient
No
हो
guns.
गया. That's not medieval.
Okay, so you can
Ancient
consider it.
medieval modern. That's the timeline.
My God, I did not know कि मेरे को यहाँ पे एक डिग्री ला करके जरूरत है बात करने.
नहीं मतलब मैं just told you एक वो timeline is ancient में Kala and all was in.
So you can consider ancient.
Yeah.
Proper ancient है और like
Yeah.
उसमें जब तुम folk art देखते हो and you're like कि मतलब that folk art is basically depicting something so grand.
True. I think ancient folk art in India is very boring. It's like
I think-
barley art. Do you know?
I think नहीं.
वो stick figure. नहीं पता.
मतलब but I know कि folk art कैसे.
Yeah. So medieval folk art in India is very good because it has Islamic like influence. It has Indian influence. You have Marathas. That's very good. So I prefer that period. But yeah.
Quite interesting, yeah. Like I used to draw. I was very specific about it. I just used to draw so kind of I could. Corona के time पे I started drawing to just kind of let out whatever was inside.
No, that's good. That's in fact art is a way out. Like COVID was very tough for a lot of people. So
Yeah. I mean नहीं मेरे तो I had an interest for art, but it's just that कि
it came out during.
नहीं पहले भी I used to draw, but like I had like paused it for quite some time. Then COVID was a good time to kind of revisit it, and I realized that I just feel much better when I draw creatures who are exotic and dangerous.
I mean, sketching is. I mean, I think sketching is quite difficult. So if you sketch, it's really good. I cannot sketch. So it's really. I mean, it's a talent if you sketch well.
Okay.
It's difficult, but in my opinion.
I mean, yeah, maybe in future I'll be sketching and you will be painting those.
Yeah, sure. I mean,
You can be like, oh my God, Nishant, why is the hand so thin? I cannot paint. I'm like, baby, manage it fine.
yeah. Actually, for painting, you have to sketch at the beginning, but it's not sketching exactly. It's like
So
a rough-
basically, what you're saying is, if we lay the foundations and you do the finishing work.
Yeah, somewhat.
I mean, not somewhat, yaar, come on.
I mean, no, but it's not always that you.
You're so logical. You're like, nahi, pakka. मैं जो कह रही हूँ वही सही है.
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही. मैं ये बोल
How good is your Hindi?
It's pretty good.
And you said that in English.
अच्छी है, काफी अच्छी.
ठीक है. So this is what the thing is. Any girl whose native tongue is not Hindi. Again, that's very controversial as well, but that's just what I think or what I feel.
Yeah.
Any girl whose native tongue is not Hindi, I somehow don't like I don't like it when they speak Hindi. So as you started speaking in English, so kind of you can say I was like ठीक है. But as soon as I got to know you're from South, I was like, oh, good.
Yeah, 1 second.
No problem.
Hello. हाँ हेलो. मैं इस साइड पे उतरे हो ना? तो तुमको क्रॉस करके ये देखते हैं आप रात का इंजर होता है। तुम वहां से ही आए थे क्या? हाँ फाइनली गेले हेलो
Looks like your friend is here.
yeah he's
Okay. In that case, I'll take a leave.
yeah it was really nice.
But you seem pretty cool. Do you want to connect?
I don't share my number.
I'm not. What the fuck? Why would I ask for a number?
Yeah.
Because you are also getting my number. You can do anything with my number.
Yeah,
We can connect on Instagram.
I'm not there. I'm really not there.
I understand.
I mean, I seriously am not there. I'm
I
preparing for
अरे तो ठीक है मैं कुछ कह थोड़ी रहा. It's
मेरे को लगा कि
But your conversation was pretty nice, yeah. I mean, it's pretty refreshing to see a girl who's not saying that girls are not. In this day and age, you have to be politically correct.
No, that's
But I enjoyed the conversation, yeah.
that's it.
Maybe when circumstances are better,
Likewise.
potentially we can hang out sometime.
Yeah, I'm actually leaving Delhi.
So wait, how much time do we have before that?
I'm leaving next week.
Do we have 1 week before that?
Yeah, 1 week.
तब तो I'll take a leave, यार. अभी he'll be here, it will be weird for you.
Bye.
Take care, bye.
That was crazy. But did you know that you can get similar or even better results? But how exactly? Simple. Just click the link below and we will tell you exactly how you can transform your dating life once and for all. So guys, don't delay. Click the link right now and we will see you on the other side.